This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a quiet pocket in the Gold Coast, just steps from Lakeshore Drive, Oak Street Beach, and the 18-mile Lakefront Trail for a walk through one of the apartments at 65 East Scott. I'm in the foyer of Unit 5L, an east-facing studio, looking at a wide closet as you enter the unit, looking at a fresh bath, black and white contrasting tile, triple mirrored medicine cabinet, and two additional closets. Overall, you're looking at good storage space for a studio apartment. Kitchen is black and white, built-in microwave, dishwasher, 4-burner electric range, and a decent amount of cabinet and counter space, and additional storage in a separate cabinet. You have a wide living, dining, sleeping area. Plenty of space here to lay out your furniture and wide enough to set up a separate sleeping enclave. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the unit with light. Real story here is the location. Your steps from Oak Street Beach, from the 18-mile Lakefront Trail, on a quiet, tree-lined street in the Gold Coast. True Gold Coast. 65 East Scott really belongs on your must-visit list if you're looking for value-priced apartments on the north side of Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.